You get a package on your doorstep you didn't order. No return address. Something inside looks expensive. Your first instinct isn't fear. It's curiosity. You almost want to open it right there on the porch. But the real reason you do that is far stranger than curiosity. It isn't really you making that choice. It's something 10,000 years old. Picture Troy. 10 years of siege. Then one morning, the Greek army is simply gone. In their place, sitting quiet on the beach, is a massive wooden horse. The gates open anyway. Why would anyone let that inside their walls? Because refusing a gift felt more dangerous than accepting one. Psychologist Robert Cialdini spent decades studying this exact impulse. He called it the reciprocity principle. When something is handed to you, your brain treats saying no as a social threat, not the object itself as a physical one. The Trojans weren't foolish. They were wired this way, the same as you. There's a deeper problem underneath that. Once the war looked over, the Trojans needed it to be over. 10 years is a long time to carry dread. Nobel laureate Daniel Kahneman spent his career mapping decisions like this one. He showed that under sudden relief, people stop evaluating evidence carefully and start confirming what they already want to believe. The horse wasn't a mystery worth investigating. It was proof the nightmare had finally ended. Here's the twist you weren't expecting. Priam's own advisors warned him. The priest Laocoon hurled a spear into the horse's flank and heard it echo hollow, unmistakably hollow. The evidence was right there, in front of everyone. But researcher Peter Wason, who first identified confirmation bias back in the 1960s, found something unsettling. People don't miss contradicting evidence by accident. They actively stop looking for it, the moment a comfortable story starts to feel true. You do this constantly, not with wooden horses, with apps that ask for your data in exchange for one free trial, with 2 good deals sitting unread in your inbox, with people who compliment you first, then ask for something right after. The Trojans opened their gates because closing them felt colder than trusting a stranger's gift. Tonight, something free will land in your hands. A discount code, a follow request, a favor offered with no explanation attached. Ask yourself the one question the Trojans never did. What does this thing actually want from me?